What's going on YouTube? Tyler's Cards back with another video, and today, you know what today is. Today is Break Friday, and if you haven't seen my last Break Friday, go ahead and go back and watch that real quick, because it'll give you a reason why I got another box of 2018 Contenders football. So this will be 5 autographs, 1 on card, of course your cracked dice and your Super Bowl tickets. So the last box the last box of Contenders was extremely good to me, and you'll definitely have to go watch it. It's definitely one of my better boxes of Contenders, especially the first one I've ever opened. So you got your big 6 on the front, same as the box. You got Darnold, you got Saquon, you got Allen, Rosen, Baker, and Lamar. So that's hopefully who we're gonna get. All right. And there's our serial number for our amazing box again, 35310. So 18 packs. See what we can do this time. Hopefully we can do as good as last time. Hopefully we're as fortunate, and we'll see what happens. JJ Watt, Ben Roethlisberger, Ryan Tannehill, Josh Rosen, Rookie of the Year, decent, Derek Carr, Joe Mixon. There's a code. If it would focus, if anyone's interested. Hope you guys had a great week. I know I did for sure. There's an auto coming up, so I'm gonna do one of these. LT. Legendary Contenders. Actually put that in the wrong pile. Jameis Winston, Jimmy Graham, Jared Goff, Jordan Reed, and 144. It's a Texan, Jordan Thomas. Rookie ticket base. Okay. Is he from? Mississippi State. What is he? Possibly. Oh, he's a tight end. Interesting. Jordan Thomas. Who knew? So there's one auto. Still got 4 more to go. Of course. Zeke, Eli Manning, Zay Jones, quads. We got Odell, Saquon, Eli. You get this to focus a little bit. Sorry guys, it's definitely not focus at all. Well, I guess I'll just drop the cards. I don't know what's going on, but I'll hold it at a distance, I guess. Odell, Saquon, Eli, Sterling Shepard, team quads. Not sure what's going on with my camera. Michael Crabtree, Melvin Gordon. And there's another code. Man, it's not even focusing up close at all. That's gonna be irritating. That pack just disintegrated. And it contained an auto. J-Dot, Doug Baldwin, Michael Thomas, Andrew Luck, Le'Veon Bench, and we got a Bengal. Sam Hubbard, another base auto, Sam Hubbard. I don't know what he is. Defensive end. Defensive end, Sam Hub. The Hub. So that's the second auto. So got 3 more to go. Still looking for an on-card as well. Carson Wentz, Carlos Hyde, Zach Ertz, round 1, round numbers, Minka Fitzpatrick, Derwin James, rookies, Devontae Freeman, and Kareem Punt. There's a code. Christian McCaffrey, Kenyon Drake, Alex Smith, Team Quads, Kirk Cousins, Adam Thielen, Dalvin Cook, Stephon Diggs. That's really, I'm sorry guys, that's really irritating me that that's not focusing. See that? It should focus, and I'm not, maybe, sorry. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Gerald McCoy, Marvin Jones. There's a code for you. I guess I gotta put it at a distance. Richard Sherman, Demaryius Thomas, Leonard Williams, Contenders, Rookie of the Year Contenders, DJ Moore, Robbie Anderson, and Patty Mahomes. All right, Stephon Diggs, David Johnson, Leonard Fournette, round numbers around 2, James Washington, DJ Shark, Jimmy G, Von Miller. Where's the code? So, the first half hasn't really had much. I mean, it's 2 autos, but there's something coming up there. So I'm gonna save that one because it's a little shiny. All right, a little bit of shiny. Ooh, we have something upside down. Zay Jones, Jared Goff. I'm actually gonna put it on the back. Kiki Cootie, Joey Bosa, Mike Evans, and what do we have here? Minka Fitzpatrick, Derwin James, just numbered, 65 of 75. There we go. I'll put that over there. Thought that might be a dual auto, you never know. So still looking for an on-card and still looking for 3 more autos, actually. Alvin Kamara, Marlon Mack, Antonio Brown, Andrew Luck, MVP Contenders, Case Keenum, and Terrell Suggs. There's a code. We have Aaron Rodgers, Alshon Jeffrey, Andy Dalton, round numbers round 4, Ito Smith, and Kalen Ballage, Lakey B, Earl Tommy. Still 3 more autos to go. Kelvin Benjamin, Aaron Donald, Corey Davis, Deontay Pettis, Rookie of the Year Contenders, and Kirk Cousins, Chandler Jones. Another code. We have a Juju, Myles Garrett, Evan Ingram, MVP Contenders, Tom Brady. Don't think so. Amari Cooper and Jordan Howard. So still 3 more autos and 4 packs. hopefully, hopefully they come through. Todd Gurley, Marcus Mariota, DeAndre Hopkins, Antonio Brown, MVP contenders, Mitch True, Julian Edelman. We have Stan Lee, Odell, LaShawn McCoy, Terry Bradshaw, legendary contenders, Matthew Stafford, Khalil Mack. And there's a code. 2 more packs left. So we should have, so that should be an auto, this should be an auto, and that should be an auto. And it is not. Marquise Goodwin, Dak Prescott, Jamal Adams, Derek Carr, MVP contenders, Tyreek Hill, and Jarvis Landry. Code. Here's an auto. We have Saquon Barkley, Sony Michel. Round numbers, round 1. It's decent. Gronkowski, Julio Jones, Brandon Cooks, T.Y. Hilton, and Raider Maurice Hurst. Another base auto. So we've had the numbered triple. We've had 3 autos, so we're gonna get shorted an auto. Yeah, unfortunately. So this was our final auto here. Should, if it's not the on card, then we definitely really got shorted. Drew Brees, MVP contenders. Larry Fitz, Jalen Ramsey, Deshaun Watson, Cam Newton, and it's gonna be Niner. Who's it gonna be? Jimmy G. Jimmy G auto, 16 of 25. Interesting. So no on card. So we didn't get an on card auto. No on card auto. This were our hits from the box. Mika Fitzpatrick, Derwin James at a 75, Sam Hubbard, Jordan Thomas, Maurice Hurst, and the Jimmy G out of 25. So, actually, I'm gonna run through every single one real quick just to be sure, but pretty sure that we got shorted in auto. Sorry guys, just wanted to get everything on camera, just in case. Fortunately, this happens sometimes. Hasn't happened to me in a long time, but it does happen. No on card, that's insane. I'm glad that it actually says it on the boxes here and not just online. Here were our MVP contenders ones. Here were our rookies. Yeah, nothing there, unfortunately. You have this too, the Saquon, Sony Michel. So yeah, unfortunately we got shorted 1 auto. Only got the 4 sticker autos. Jimmy G was actually pretty nice, but unfortunately we got shorted. I'll grab this box again real quick, just to reiterate. 5 autographs, including 1 on card. So I did get shorted on card. Hopefully Panini can take care of this pretty quickly. I'll definitely send them a request here pretty soon. So hope you guys did enjoy Break Friday. Still love Contenders, even though, I mean, it happens, mistakes happen. It's all good. It happens. So hope you guys did enjoy the video. Go ahead and drop a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of Contenders. If you break Contenders, let me know what you think. Let me see what you guys got. Hopefully you got something pretty awesome, something you're looking for. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more Break Fridays. mail days, everything of that sort of nature. So with all that being said, I will see you guys all in the next video.